Hey guys, today I have another Poshmark Mystery DIY Rescue Box. So if you're curious to see what's inside this one, keep watching. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Poshmark mystery box unboxing. If you guys didn't catch my first video, I'm going to link it above and in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. It describes what I'm going to do for my approach for Poshmark and all that fun stuff. So I'm getting a bunch of these mystery DIY rescue box type situations, and I'm going to have a ton of them to share with you. I'm going to go ahead and go over what the items are and what I'm going to do to fix them. So that's pretty much in a nutshell what I'm going to do for my Poshmark strategy. So without further ado, I'm not going to waste any more of your time with this intro. We're just going to jump into, hopefully, the awesome items I got in this box. Okay guys, as I told you in my first video that I was going to use my cheat sheet so that I can keep myself in order as I'm going over all of this stuff with you guys. So this box here has 16 pieces in it. It was actually advertised with 15 pieces, but one of the pieces in it a little questionable. But in all technicality, there are 16 pieces in the box. I paid $18.36 for this box, which makes each piece in this box valued at $1.15 per piece. Pretty awesome. I still like to stick in that $5 range to sell everything that's in here as much as possible because I want to make some sort of profit on everything. Of course, I want to sell things for more than that, but I'm just saying that's my goal. So this lady here said that the pieces that I'm getting could or could not be damaged. They might be pieces that she had in her closet that she just didn't want to sell anymore or couldn't sell. Maybe I can give it a try, whatever. So some of the pieces in this one aren't damaged, which is actually quite nice. I mean, I'll throw them on my closet. We'll see what happens. You know, there's no guarantee with this stuff. So anyways, oh, that's from my thread up video. I'm sorry I got sidetracked. I was like, oh my gosh, I have a piece of this paper sitting over here. And I was concerned that I didn't put it back in that last box and you guys could care less about any of this. So let's move on to what I got in this box. The first thing are these lovely striped yellow pants. They are Chadwick's size 10 petite. You know, guys, I think these are cute. If they were my size, I might actually wear them. There's the pockets. I did not see any damage on these. They still have this like tag thingy on here, so I don't think anybody actually ever wore them. The zipper worked fine. All the buttons are there. The hooks are there. So I don't see anything wrong with these ones. I guess, you know, she just couldn't get them to move for whatever reason on her closet. I'll give them a try on my closet, but no promises. She actually put two pairs in here. They're exactly the same. One's a 10 petite and one is a 12 petite. So I will give these a shot and see. Oh, this one has a string hanging, but I'll cut that off. So I don't have any fixing to do on these ones. This right here is a Columbia, I don't know, what do you call these pants? Like a track pant or something like that. Anyways, Columbia sportswear. And it's new too. It has the little tag thingamabobber here. But, do I have a size on this? Oh, 1648. I've never seen sizing like that. Okay, so anyways, these look to be really good shape. I didn't see anything wrong with these. Again, I've already looked this stuff over so that I don't have to bore you guys with looking over each and every single item, trying to figure out what's wrong with it. It takes me a while to figure out what's wrong with some of these things. So I don't see anything wrong with these. I mean, they look to be in very good condition. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw them onto the Poshmark and see how they do. Now, this is the questionable item. Really? Athletia? I don't know. You guys know I stink at pronouncing brands and I don't know any of my brands. Oh, so here we go. Here you go. It's this bag. So really? Like really? Okay. So now we have a Liz Claiborne purse. Not bad, right? There's definitely a lot of scratching on this faceplate here. I'm not sure what that does to the value of this bag, but the inside of it looks really good. It's super clean. I checked all of the pockets hoping for some money, but you know, that didn't happen. Yeah, so everything looks really clean on this bag. Here's the bottom of it. Everything looks really good. So I don't know, guys. Yeah, I can try to list it, but I don't know about all this scratch on the front of that. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this next purse is really damaged. It is a Kate Spade purse, but honestly, guys, there is a lot of help that needs, this purse needs a lot of help. Can't spit it out. I'm not going to cut this out. We're just going to get through this unboxing. So this purse needs a lot of help. Look at it. It is just cracking and stuff all over the place. So this would definitely not be something that I would attempt to resell. I may attempt to go ahead and like redo the whole thing. But if I do that, it's no longer a Kate Spade purse. It's just a DIY purse. So I may attempt to do that because the structure is really good, but we'll see. So this is a Kipling knapsack. Kipling, see that? I looked this over too. Everything looks really good with this. I don't see any issues. It's really clean. So I don't have to do anything to this. So far I am really liking this. No, I take that back. Look. Oh no. Oh no. That's such an easy fix. But it is torn. So I'll fix that. Take me a minute, whatever. So I'll have to look this over really good again because I thought this one wasn't damaged. But guys, I've gone through so many of these boxes. I'm bound to get some things wrong. So now we have a Victoria's Secret bag. Helps if I take that off. There you go, Victoria's Secret bag. This looks to be in really great shape too. I don't see any issues. It's super clean on the inside. I don't know if there's a market for these. I have no idea. I can try to throw it on my Poshmark, but I mean, or keep it for myself. I don't know. We'll see. This is definitely a no-go. I mean, I can pop this on for you guys as something funny, but yeah, I don't even think it's gonna fit me actually. I did go ahead and launder this stuff, guys, and or steam it when necessary, but ooh, it actually does fit me. It has the skirt that goes with it. There's no brand. It's elastic. That's kind of strange, huh? I don't know. I'll keep this for myself. It actually fits me and it's actually really comfortable. I don't see a whole lot of damage on it. It actually fits me pretty darn good. How about that, guys? So, this I will keep for myself. I'm not going to list this on Poshmark, and if I did, I don't think anybody would want it. I guess I'm the only one that would want something like that. So now we have a scarf. I don't see brand or anything on this scarf. Probably not going to waste my time listing that. Okay, so this has no tag. It has no tag. Well, that stinks. No tag. I'm going to look on the inside here, just make sure there's not one inside. You know how they put the tags on the inside of clothes. So there's no size, there's no brand, there's nothing. So I don't know anything about this dress. Nothing. Okay. We'll see what happens with that. Okay, so next we have Morona Extra Large. Not familiar with that brand. There it is, guys. Morona? I'm not familiar with that brand. This, oh, here's the name of it. You can see it better right there. This is an extra large shirt. Obviously it has the tags on it. I don't know anything about this brand. So, yeah, I didn't see anything wrong with this. So obviously this would just be something I could throw on the Poshmark and see what happens. Okay, so get my hair out of my mouth. Okay, this is a 1X, I don't know, W62, is that what that is? You guys tell me if I'm wrong. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would let me know when I'm wrong, which is probably quite often. Oh, this is from the Dress Barn. This is a Dress Barn brand, I guess. $29 price ticket on this shirt, so I don't know what to list it for. I don't know what the right way to do this is. I'm still learning, guys. I mean, I guess I can try listing it at half that price and see what happens. I don't know. I'm surprised how well bras do on Poshmark. because I would never buy a bra on Poshmark. I mean, this one has tags. I don't know, but I wouldn't buy bras on Poshmark. This brand that says Push Up. What is the brand? Daisy Fuentes. Okay, so I do know who that is. It's a 40D, and I don't see a price on this, but here's the brand right here, guys. So, obviously it's in fine condition. I will just, it's got the little charm in the center of it. I will just throw this on and see how it does. I just didn't realize people bought bras on there. I don't know. When I think used, I don't think buying bras or panties, but whatever. Though it's not used. So maybe that's what's selling. The ones that, have the tags where obviously nobody wore those. Okay, so this is a Walmart brand fleece legging. I'm obviously not going to list this. This is an extra large 16 to 18, which I'm guessing would be girls. So these will probably definitely fit me, which is pretty awesome. So obviously I will keep these for myself. Let's take a quick look at them. Why not? Ooh, no, they must be extra large in women. So you know what? I will give these to my niece. She can definitely use those. They're definitely not a brand that you would want to list on Poshmark. So that's everything that was in this box. Let's jump into final thoughts and close out this video. Okay guys, so I'm really not sure how much I'll be able to make on the pieces that I'm able to sell from this box, but there were 9 pieces in the box that I consider to be sellable. So we'll just have to see how that goes. I don't know. The one piece needed minor repair, but everything else was ready to go, which is really exciting. So I'm able to just take the pictures. Obviously, you know, I'll steam everything that was new with tags, and anything that wasn't new with tags, I will throw in the laundry to wash it and get it all clean and ready for a new home. Now, the 7 pieces that were not sellable, I mean, that one little bag, whatever. You know, that's just useless to me. But the leggings, I can go ahead and give to my niece because she'll be able to get use out of those. So that's not a total fail. And then that leather maroon outfit situation actually fits me. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that and wear it. Why not? Totally my style. I mean, not many people probably wear that color leather, but you know what? I will. So the purse, the Kate Spade purse, is just a total and complete loss as far as revamping it to resell. Now, I would definitely go ahead and repair it and turn it into something completely different from what it is now, but it's not going to be able to be a Kate Spade purse anymore. It's just going to be a DIY'd Amber Meeks purse that most people wouldn't pay top dollar for. So I may go ahead and put that in the handmade section on Poshmark once I finish it. I don't know. We'll see how that goes because I have some ideas for it that will be quick and easy to repair it and make it so that it can function again as a purse, because the inside part of it is great. It was just that exterior was completely worn. So I definitely think that I can do something with that exterior to list it as a handmade item and hopefully resell it. We'll see how that goes. That dress, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't feel that I can list it. It's not my style, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. It definitely will probably be part of a DIY because, again, I don't like to waste anything at all. We'll see how that one goes. I really don't know what's going to happen with that. And, of course, the scarf is not my style, but I do know people who like scarves, so I'll probably just give it to one of them. So, overall, this box was, I guess, a success, but not really a success as far as selling on Poshmark, but a success in it as far as I will probably get use out of all of the items. So, not a total bust. I'm not mad at it. Again, you just don't know what you're going to get with these things, so you're just taking a total gamble. But I hope that you found this video helpful or useful in some way. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, like, share, do all of those things to help other people find this channel. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! Okay guys, so as I told you, the other pieces definitely weren't sellable, but I'll wear the one outfit. So the two of the non-sellable 7 pieces are wearable. Let's do this again.